Feel better, move better, be better. When you feel better, you feel more like you. And when you move better, there's much you can do. Be who you were meant to be. Peaceful Warriors Wellness. Feel better, move better, be better. Peaceful Warriors. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, the 15th of March. We're already halfway through March. How in the heck does that happen, huh? Seems like one day at a time, but also seems like it goes pretty quickly sometimes. Welcome to the Feel Better, Move Better, Be Better movement session here at Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center. I'm Scott Roberts, and my wife and I own Peaceful Warriors Wellness, and very glad to be here with you this morning. Please grab yourself a rope, a belt, a strap, something that you can use to utilize and leverage your limbs to assist with your stretching. I really do like the Optp stretch out strap. You can get it off of their website, optp.com, if you would like one. If you're local, you can come stop by here and buy one. We have them on hand, and I'll be glad to sell you one. I'm an authorized reseller for them, so come get one. The reason I like them is because of these pre-sewn in loops. Okay, so all the stretches that we're going to do today, we're going to be repeating them a few times over. I usually do 3 reps of each. That's not a magic number of any kind. Feel free to do more reps later on of stretches that you really want and need the most, okay? Each of these stretches are held in that position for about 2 seconds and then released and then repeated, okay? So that's kind of a little bit of the science behind it of what we're going to be doing. I'm going to let this ambulance go by here real quick. There we go. Unfortunately, somebody's having a bad day and on their way to the hospital. So, all right. So we're going to start off by reaching up overhead. The strap is optional, but go ahead and reach up overhead, come up under your toes, try to touch the ceiling or sky, whatever it is that's above you, branch of a tree, whatever. Reach, reach, reach. Open that spine up. All right. Come on down to your heels. Spread your feet a little bit more than shoulder widths apart. Lean to the left. Really important to get that body moving first thing on a Monday morning. I've already been to the gym and worked out. Taking a shower. Now I'm here stretching with you. To the right. Remember to breathe. You want to exhale as you stretch. All right, bring your arms down to shoulder height. Rotate the spine, twist your upper body all the way around to the left, and then all the way around to the right. Hold it for a couple seconds, and then back around again. Put your right hand up over your head, one into the strap. In that hand, you want the strap to dangle back behind you between your shoulder blades. Reach down between your shoulder blades as far as you can, and with your left hand, assist at the end. Create the movement, and then assist. Let's reverse it. Right hand down to the belt. Strap over your left shoulder, reach up between your shoulder blades from the bottom, and use the strap above your head to assist. Opening up the shoulder girdle. Good. Right arm up at 90 degrees. Strap is back behind you. We're going to rotate the shoulder, so the elbow is going to stay stationary, but you're going to rotate your shoulder, your hand and forearm are going to reach back, and then use the strap to assist. Open that shoulder up. Good. Left hand up. Reach down between your shoulder blades. Use the right to assist. Left hand down to the belt, strap over the right shoulder, reach up between your shoulder blades with the left hand. There's always that pesky little itch that you have a hard time reaching, or for you ladies, maybe putting your bra strap on and trying to open it or close it. Elbow up, shoulder height, 90 degrees, reach back. All right, take the strap around the back of your neck and over your shoulders. Find yourself a spot on the wall. You want to place your palm flat on the wall, about shoulder height, with your fingers pointing back behind you. That way your wrist is nicely flexed. You're going to step forward with your left foot, and then you're going to turn your chest away from the wall. You're going to feel this across the top of the chest, the front of the shoulder. That feels really good. I'm going to do one more because I didn't have it quite where I wanted it to. There you go. Oh man, that feels good. All right, left hand on the wall. Step forward with your right foot. All right, head and neck rotation. Turn your head to the left, keeping your shoulder over your shoulder if you can. Take your hands and gently assist. Please do not wrench your neck. Do not jerk your neck one way or another. Be gentle with it. It's the only one you got. Turn your head to the right. All right, head and neck flexion to the side. Just the weight of your hand above the ear, on the top side, will be plenty of assistance. To the right. All right, have a seat on the floor. Let's get these legs and hips opened up, lower back. We're going to start off by taking the strap around the ball of the foot. So if you have a rope or something that doesn't have the loops, you just want to go around the ball of the foot like so, okay? If you do have a belt that you can cinch around your foot and hold on to the other end of it or something like that, that's always good. All right, so just go ahead and straighten out that right leg. Pull your toes towards your nose, okay? And then add a little bit of assistance with the strap. Hold it for a couple seconds and release. All right, bend your knee to about 90 degrees. Plant your elbow on top of that right knee. Lift your toes towards your knees. I'm going to go a little bit higher here. There we go. And flex that foot up. Lay on back. Keep that right leg straight. And lift that leg towards the right shoulder. Open up the hamstrings. Now, most people don't even realize they have 3 hamstrings. So we're going to do 3 different hamstring stretches. That's the first one. Take the strap around the inside of your ankle and under the calf. And now we're going to lift that leg towards the nose. Undo the strap, come around the outside of the ankle and under the calf again. It's going to turn your toes out, away from the body. Now we're going to lift that leg towards the left shoulder. While we're here, we're going to go ahead and scissor our leg across, so the right leg's going to lift just enough to cross over the top of the left leg. Don't let your hips roll. Keep them nice and flat and scissor across. Now lift that leg to 45 degrees and scissor. You're going to feel different parts of your hip being stretched as we change the angle. I'll lift that leg up to 90 degrees. All right, take the strap out from underneath the calf. Come back around to the inside of the ankle again and under. So one full wrap around. It's going to help keep your toes pointing towards the ceiling. Pull that right leg out to the right as far as you can. Lift your heel. Spread that leg out. Assist at the end. Bend both knees. Let's put that right ankle on top of the left knee. You can take the strap off. Set it just to your side for a moment. Reach up with your left hand to your shin, right hand to the inside of your knee. And let's rotate that hip by pulling that right foot closer to the left shoulder. All right, let's repeat all those stretches on the left side. Put that strap around the ball of the left foot. Sit yourself up. Toes towards the nose. Bend that knee to 90 degrees. Lift those toes towards the knee. Flex that foot. Lay back. Keeping that leg straight. Left leg to the left shoulder. Take the strap around the inside of the left ankle, underneath the calf. Now we're going to go towards the nose. Remember, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And please share so that other people can watch this as well. Take the strap out and around the outside of the ankle. Now we're going to lift that left leg towards the right shoulder, keeping it straight. Now we're going to scissor the left leg across the top of the right. Lift that leg to 45 degrees and let's scissor across at that angle. Now to 90 degrees and across.
All right, take that strap out. Let's go all the way around the leg to the inside of the ankle and underneath the calf again. Now we're going to take that left leg and spread that leg all the way out to the left, keeping it straight. Half of a split. Perfect. Bend those knees. Take that left ankle on top of the right knee. We're done with the strap. You can set that to the side. Right hand onto the shin of the left leg. Left hand on the inside of the left knee. And rotate that hip. Pull that left foot closer to your right shoulder by using your shin. It's going to twist the hip in its socket. Stretch those muscles in the glutes. All right. Come on up to your knees. Keep your left knee down, step forward with your right foot. And you want that heel to be out in front of your knee, okay? Your toes shouldn't be able to sit on the ground. Push forward with your hips, keeping your chest upright and facing forward. You can put your hands on your knees if you want to and sit down into that, stretch a little bit. Now your right knee should be right above your right ankle, and you should feel a stretch across the front of your left hip. Ease into, exhaling, ease out of, in and out of that stretch. Good, let's switch sides. Right knee down, left foot forward. Push those hips forward into that stretch. Perfect. All right, well, thank you for joining me this Monday morning. Hope you've enjoyed your stretching session. I'll see you again on Wednesday, and between now and then, do the right things, drink lots of water, eat whole food, get plenty of rest, practice your breathing, feel better, move better, be better, and come get a massage. Have a great day.